Hey, I'm Isabella and this is my first YouTube video. I love sewing, doing crochet, painting, doing my nails. I love finding and trying new crafts. So all of these things are what you're gonna be seeing on my channel. If this is your vibe, you should follow me. I've always loved journaling and scrapbooking, and I feel like stickers are the thing that make your scrapbook way nicer, and it adds such a cute vibe to it. But I don't have a Cricut, and sometimes they can get really expensive, or you can have a specific taste. So if you want to learn how to make stickers at home, watch this video. Stickers are really something that you can make yourself, so you can use apps like Procreate or Ibis Paint, but you can also find them on apps like Pinterest and Canva, and pretty much any other app that you find, but these are the best to me. The first thing that you're gonna be doing is finding the stickers that you like. Right now I'm doing a travel scrapbook, so I'm gonna find some travel stickers. So now that I found all of the stickers that I like, I'm just gonna go and print them out. So these are the ones that I found, and now we're just gonna go and make the stickers. I also printed these journal kind of pieces because I think it's really pretty, especially that one. You're gonna need baking paper, tape, the big one, and scissors. First, I'm gonna be cutting all of my stickers. So I like to leave a white line because it gives this kind of sticker look, but it's really up to you. So I'm done cutting all of my stickers, but we're not gonna use them right now. What you're gonna do is cover the whole paper in tape. If it doesn't stick really well, it's totally normal, and be careful of the air bubbles. This is not completely necessary. I like to glue everything just to make sure that it's gonna stick really well. And next, I'm gonna be placing my stickers on the sheet. Remember to leave a little space, but not too much, in between each sticker. So I don't have enough space, but basically I put all of the stickers that I could put on the sheet, and now I'm just gonna put tape all over it. You've got to be gentle so it doesn't move the stickers, and be careful that there's no air bubbles again. So now that I'm done, I'm just gonna go and cut every single sticker. So I think you should leave some space because it's just better with the sticking process. And now you just need to peel off the back, and you have a sticker, and you can just stick, and it's done. This is how it looks when it's sticking to something. I'm really happy with the result. I think it looks so cute, and I can't wait to use them all, especially that one. This one is so cute too.